Now, the trough in the Western Caribbean has weakened, but we still have a stationary frontal system north of the Caribbean that is generating a distinct line of showers and isolated thunderstorms north of the area. There are showers affecting sections of Cuba, and we also have some scattered low-level clouds in the western portion of the Caribbean from the passage of the system. However, across the open waters, we do have some isolated low clouds, no significant shower or thunderstorm activity. We expect that much of the area remains generally stable over the next few days. The forecast for tonight: expect partly cloudy skies are covering most of the island. The temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 23 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting partly cloudy skies mainly across sections of central and eastern parishes, while it's generally fair elsewhere. And for the afternoon, look for isolated showers if you're in the west. Expect isolated showers as well if you're across inland areas. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions for most of the southeast tomorrow. That's Morant Bay, Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, Maypen and Mandeville. Further west, expect partly cloudy conditions as well in the afternoon for Santa Cruz, as well as Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. It's in the morning that we're expecting most of the clouds for Port Antonio and Port Maria, as well as for Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay. There are some showers expected in the afternoon in Brownstown, as well as in the afternoon in Montego Bay and in Lucy. Now, the next few days has shower activity across the area. That's Thursday, Friday, as well as on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. For the marine forecast for the north coast tomorrow, the winds are expected to be out of the northeast at 10 to 15 knots, as wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, expect easterly winds at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. For offshore areas, the winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters, and there are no smoke-craft warnings in effect. The winds are expected to pick up to 20 knots from the east on Thursday, as well as Friday and Saturday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:35 and at 5:41 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.